Cleaning your car's throttle body is good preventive maintenance, but if you've noticed a rough idle, cleaning your throttle body could be the fix. Start off by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, the air duct is usually held in place with some type of hose clamp, which can be loosened with a screwdriver. In some cases, you only need to remove one side to clean the throttle body, but disconnecting both ends makes it a little easier. Don't forget to remove any small hoses that attach to the throttle body itself or to any of the air ducts. Then simply pull the duct away from the throttle body and it will come completely off. Make sure you're using a cleaner specifically labeled for the throttle body. The throttle body is composed of the plate and the valve. With the plate closed, spray it directly, then clean with a microfiber towel. Go ahead and spray some cleaner directly on the microfiber towel and hold the plate open with one hand as you use your other hand to clean behind it and get as much of the inside as you can. It's important that you use a towel that will not leave any lint behind. You definitely don't want that getting inside of your air intake. Make sure you keep on moving to a clean section of your microfiber towel, as you can see how much dirt builds up. Make sure you spray cleaner directly on it. I personally don't like to spray cleaner inside once the valve is open. Keep rotating your microfiber towel until no more dirt is found and you are satisfied with the cleanliness of the intake. Here you can see all of the dirt we picked up on our clean microfiber towel. As you can see, I kept on moving to a clean spot every time. I sprayed cleaner one last time to make sure all the residue was completely off. Go ahead and reinstall the throttle body ducts, tightening the hose clamps to the same level of tightness as before. Don't forget to connect back in any small vacuum hoses you disconnected from the duct or from the throttle body itself. Reattach the battery and go ahead and start your engine. You may notice an initial rough idle as whatever cleaner did fall in burns off. If you have any questions about this process on a specific vehicle, go ahead and comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel.